Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow steps on how to lock a folder in Windows 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. This first method I'm going to show you works only on the Pro edition of Windows 11. To check your edition of Windows 11, press the Windows key and I. Now scroll down and click About. Now down here, you can see your Windows edition. If you're using Windows 11 Pro, you can follow along with this method. If not, just keep watching. We have an alternate method for all editions of Windows 11. Now navigate to the folder you want to lock. Right click it and click Properties. Over here, click Advanced. Now tick Encrypt Contents to secure data. Now click OK. Now click Apply. Now this box will pop up. Here we have two options. You can apply the encryption to all subfolders and files or just this folder. I'm going to go with this option up here. Now click OK to close the page. Now this message will pop up. Click it and click Backup Now. When this page comes up, click Next. Click Next again. Now tick this checkbox on Password. Now create a password for your encryption key. It can be anything you want, or make sure it's something you can remember. Type it in down here again. Now click this button. Now name this certificate. Now click Next, then click Finish. Now we can close this page. This folder is now locked to other accounts. This folder can only be opened by logging into your own account. Let's move on to the second method. This method works for all editions of Windows 11. So open up your browser and in the search window, type in WinRAR download, then hit enter. This is the option we want. Click this button to download the software. We click this icon at the top right corner here. See our download. Once it's complete, click it. Click Run. Click Install and follow any other prompts that may show up. Once the installation is complete, go to the directory of the folder you want to lock. Click the folder. You should see WinRAR down here. Hover over it, then click Add to Archive. Now over here, click Set Password. Create any password you like, then type it in down here. Now click OK. Click OK to begin. As you can see, this file has been created here. If you double click it to open it up, see our folder has been added to this archive. Now if you try to access any of the files by extracting it, you will get a prompt asking you to input the password you created. After you've added the folder to the archive, you can delete the original and use the archived folder instead. Now no one will be able to extract the contents of this archive without the password you created. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.